Subashini ma'am.
Yeah, sir, I'll start now.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Subashini, Assistant Professor, belongs to CSE department. So, today we are here to get some ideas about the world's best coding competition, TCS-Codevita. Okay, so we are having some ideas on world's best coding competition, TCS-Codevita. So, before entering into this Codevita topic, so I want to say something about the organizer of this competition. So, organizer of this competition is, as the name indicates, it is a TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. It is the organizer of this competition. So, about TCS, we need to know something about the organizer, Tata Consultancy Services. It is the Indian multinational information technology services and consulting company. So, this is the Indian-based company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. So, it is having the largest campus in our Chennai. So our Chennai is having the largest TCS headquarter company. So it is a subsidiary of the Tata Group. So we all know very well about Tata Group. No, Tata Group is everywhere in the industry. So we can see more vehicles in Tata. We can see even in cookeries we are having some Tata products. So TCS is one part of the Tata Group. So this is the website of this company. So we can gather many more information about the Tata Consultancy Services. So this is the little points about some points about the Tata Consultancy Services. So like this, we can have more points on this website. So whenever you are free, you can go through this and you can grab some information about the Tata Consultancy Services. So next, this is our topic, TCS-Codevita. So season 10. So now we are going to participate in season 10. So TCS so far had been conducted 9 seasons and announced winners. Every year TCS is conducting this Codevita competitions and it is awarding some prize money also. Some $1,000, $10,000 it is awarding as a prize money. But this year luckily we are having $20,000 as the prize money. Okay, so TCS is conducting every year a competition named TCS-Codevita. Now we are going to participate in season 10 competition. Okay, so every year, so they are recruiting the coders also. Okay, so this is the global computer programming competition. Globally, in the sense, everywhere, anywhere, the students can participate in this competition, anywhere in the world. So not only from India, anywhere in the world, students like you can participate in this competition. It is a 24-hour online competition. This is the advantage for us. So no need to go anywhere or no need to go to travel from here to North India or here to some other state or some other city. So we can sit in our place itself and we can attend this competition from our home itself or from our college itself. So wherever you are comfortable, you can sit and attend this competition. So one by one, we will have a look on the ideas about this competition. In the second half, I have included the registration process details. Okay, now this is the overview of this competition. Later on, in the upcoming slides, we will discuss about how to register, what are all the steps involved in the registration process and all. So stay in the link till the end. Okay, don't leave in between. If you leave in between, then you may face some difficulties in the registration process also. Upcoming slides shows the registration process. Okay, so we can log in from anywhere, anytime you can attend. So they will give the 24-hour deadline. So in that 24-hour, we can log in at any time and continuously for 6 hours or 7 hours, we have to sit there. According to the level of the competition, we have to sit and we can attend and we can win the prizes. So this is the next step information. Totally, there are, see the bold letters, totally there are 3 rounds. This competition, TCS-Codevita, contains 3 rounds totally. So important thing, 3 rounds are there. It is the competition to identify the world's best coder. So TCS wants to identify world best coder from your community, which means students community. So TCS always wants the best. So that's why they are conducting competitions like this and they want to select the best coder. Why TCS wants to select the best coder? Any idea? why TCS is conducting this kind of competition, and why TCS wants to identify the best coder, why they are awarding this cash prizes. Any idea on this?
They want to
Anybody
recruit
can.
us.
Yes, exactly correct. So they want to recruit the best coders in their organization, in their company. Tata Consultancy Service wants to recruit the best coders. That is especially from the students community. Best coders are available in employee community also. So many got employed already. They are working in some other institution also, some other organization also. But they want to select the best coder from the students community. Why? Any idea? Why TCS wants the fresher? Fresh mind people are always welcomed by Tata Consultancy Services. Why? Because fresh mindsets, you are having fresh mindsets now, right? Every individual is capable of doing something, right? Every individual is capable of doing something. My thinking, my mindset, my idea will differ from your thinking, your mindset, and your idea. So every individual is having different ideas. I am having one idea. So for example, we both are working together in one project. So we both are constructing one house, one home, or we plan to purchase some vehicle, car. So I am having one idea, you are having one idea. So we both together can implement, and the output will be a best one. That is why, similarly, students, you all are fresh minds, right? You all have very fresh minds, and you have very different thinkings among yourself. Every day you are facing different challenges, right? As a student, every day you are facing different challenges, and you are adapting yourself according to that challenges. So you are not running away from those challenges, you are adapting yourself on those challenges. So that is the important thing. So compared to the others, compared to the already employed persons, students, being a student, you are the right person to code new things, to create new things, to create many innovative ideas. That is why this kind of companies are conducting more competitions, and they are recruiting all you people in their organization. They don't want to leave you all. They want to collect all the brilliant students like you. They want to work on their organization. That is why they are conducting this competition, right? So this is the list of languages given by them. So you should know any one language among this list. So C language, C++ language, C sharp, Java, Perl. So this is the list given by the TCS company. So if you want to participate in this competition, you have at least some basic knowledge. So not well versed in any kind of languages. No need to be a well versed person, well versed student in any languages. You should have some basic knowledge. That is enough. If you have any basic knowledge on this any of this language, so then you can crack the coding very easily, right? Yes, any doubt? So at the end, I'll allow you to ask questions. You can ask the doubts at the end. Okay. So C language, C++. So you should have some basic idea about any one of the given languages by the TCS. So that is enough. Okay. So eligibility, who are all can participate in this competition? This is the eligibility criteria. So 2025 passed out, which means now you are in first year, right? So from first year to final year, and also two passed out students also can able to participate in this. So departments, all departments are welcomed for this competition. Okay. Specialization is not given there. Any department student can participate, and any department student can code according to your mindset, according to your ideas. Okay, so department is not the thing, so anybody can participate here. So this is the Codevita journey, which means first initially we have to register. So this is what you all have to do immediately. Okay, so registration process, you all should undergo this registration process. After registering, you need to fill the profile. So basic details are asked. So I will show these screenshots in the upcoming slides. You just to go through, get some ideas on this. Okay. First one registration, next one profile. You need to fill the profile. Next one, important thing, practice contest. So you need to participate in this. Then only you will get some ideas about this competition. Okay, practice contest. Last one, actual contest. So 3 rounds I said already, right? So we'll see one by one. See here, pre-qualifier, qualifier, and grand finale. Okay, only these 3 rounds are there. Pre-qualifier, qualifier, and grand finale. Pre-qualifier and qualifier, it is already decided. In the last 9 seasons, it was conducted in online only. Okay, so the grand finale only they used to conduct offline, but this year they plan to conduct this also in online, especially for India. For Indian students, TCS has decided to conduct this grand finale also in online. Okay. See, pre-qualifier. So as I said, 3 rounds are there. First round is pre-qualifier round. In that, you will be given 6 questions. Okay, some 6 questions in the sense 6 challenges. You can say it as challenges. 6 challenges will be given. So it is segregated based upon the level, easy, difficult, very difficult, hard, like that. It will segregate. They will segregate some levels on these 6 questions. Okay, so you can attempt the test in the given 24 hours. Anytime you can attend, but continuously you have to work for 6 hours. That is the thing. One day, 124 hours will be allotted for that particular pre-qualifier round. So in that 24 hours, okay, you will receive a link through email. After registration, you will come to know about all these things. So through email, you will receive the link. So you have to log in using those link, and you have to complete your coding contest in that 6 hours. 6 questions, 6 hours. Okay, automatically. As soon as you log in, your time will start. So after 6 hours, automatically your link will get expired. Okay, so whatever you have done in that 6 hours, so that will be taken into account. Okay. So non-proctored. So nobody will watch you. So for this round, for a first round and second round, pre-qualifier and qualifier round, no proctors are there. Nobody will watch you. You just want to log in the link and you are going to code your program. The link will be given by the TCS on that day. Okay, on that particular day, they will share you through email. Okay. So this is pre-qualifier round. Next qualifier round contains 8 questions, 8 hours, which means for each question you have to spend 1 hour. For pre-qualifier also, 6 questions, 6 hours. Here 8 questions, 8 hours. Okay, similarly, 24 hours will be allotted. In that 24 hours, whenever you are free. So that 8 hours you have to sit continuously. You have to work, you have to complete your task within that 8 hours. For 1 hour, you can allot yourself 1 hour for one question. Okay, this is also non-proctored. No webcam is needed for this round also. So it will be very, very easy. So if you want to get some ideas from Google also, you can get some ideas. Okay, so if you want to refer, they used to give the reference sites also for the reference. Sometimes you will get some good ideas to solve the problem or to grasp the answer for that particular question, but you may not have the proper content, you may not know to expose yourself. So in that case, they will give the reference sites also. So in that reference site, you can go and refer some points, some hints, some ideas for your concept. Okay, so nothing is difficult. So here you are going to do in online only. You can take help from various sites. Okay, only one thing, problem will be given by TCS. Question or challenge or problem, we can call it as in any way, that will be given to you through email. Okay, so you have to code it properly. Whatever you are getting as an idea, you have to convert your idea into coding. At the same time, you have to run and execute. You have to show the output for that idea. That's it. So problem statement, input statement, and output statement. Input, output, all the things will be given them. Only thing they need is coding. Coding for that particular thing. You can select any language. As we discussed earlier, you can select any language and you can code yourself. So grand finale, probably it will be in the month of April. So first 2 rounds you may get by the month of March. Okay, by the month of March, you will get the announcement for the first 2 rounds. By the month of April, you will have this grand finale. So this also will be conducted, will plan to conduct in online only, but in some cases 0.1 percentage it may vary. So they may call you, it is only 0.1 percentage, okay. 99.99 percentage that will be in online only. So don't worry, this also will be very, very comfortable for you. So only top three contestants will be declared as the winner. World's Best Coder Award will be given to only top three contestants. Lakhs and lakhs of students will participate in this competition. Among those lakhs and lakhs of people, only three will be selected as a top coder, world's best coder. Okay. So benefits. What are all the benefits? Now you are going to attend this competition. You are going to register in this competition. What is the benefit? So you may think among yourself, no? So this is the benefit. Students clearing any round. So even if you clear pre-qualifier round also, you will get job in TCS. Clearing in the sense, there is nothing like our examination. We are getting pass mark in our examination. No, similar concept, same concept. So you, in pre-qualifier round, totally we have 6 questions, right? So in those 6 questions, you need to code only for 3 questions. So if you give coding only for 3 questions, then you will be selected for the next round, qualifier round. Or if you give coding for only 1 question or only 2 questions, which means you will be given a job opportunity in TCS. You will not be called for the next round of interview, next round of competition, but they will award job for you, because all the 6 questions, whatever they are giving in the first round, that is pre-qualifier round, 6 questions will be given. So pass number of questions is 3. If you attend only 3 questions, if you clear only 3 questions, which means you have to give the correct coding. You can select any language. In your own language, you are going to give the coding. You are going to execute the coding. You are going to show the output for those 3 questions. Which means if you give the correct output for these 3 questions, then you will be called for the next round, qualifier round, second round. But if you give only answer for 1 question, if you give answer only for 2 questions, then your job is confirmed in the TCS. Am I clear? So 1 question or 2 question means you will get the job in TCS. If you write 3 question, if you give coding for 3 question, correct coding for 3 question, then you will be called for the next level of competition, that is qualifier round. Similarly, in qualifier round, in round 2 qualifier round, 8 questions are there. If you give correct coding for 4 questions, you will be called for the grand finale. Or if you give only 2 correct answers, then you will be given a job. So that is what mentioned in the next points. Pre-qualifier, if you clear only pre-qualifier round, then your salary will be 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. For example, if you clear the pre-qualifier round and you are called for the qualifier round, in qualifier round you fail to touch that maximum limit, which means 4 questions. You have attended only 1 question. You have coded only 1 question, which means you qualified 1 round. Now you are in second round. You are not qualified for the third round. Then your salary will be 6 to 8 lakhs. Okay. Third round, grand finale. So you are entering the grand finale round. There you are winning the best coders award, world's best coders award. Then no need to go for any company for searching job, right? Companies will search you. Where is that person? Companies will search you. If you win the competition, really, companies will search you. But if you fail to win in the third round, grand finale, you are not winning the third round. In the sense, you will be appointed in the higher position. So salary is negotiable. Even if you fail to win. If you win, then you are the boss there. Right? If you win, you are the boss there. Companies will search you. Where is that person? Where is that student? Now you may get one question. Now you are in first year. You are winning this competition. First year student is winning this competition. Okay. Then they will wait for you for the next remaining 3 years. After completing your degree, you can go and join in any companies, or in TCS itself. Higher cadre position will be given to you and you can join after you completing your degree. Now you are in final year. You are cracking this competition and you are winning this competition. Then immediately after completing your project submission, you can go and join there. Okay, so students from first year, second year, third year, final year, and passed outs can also attend this competition. Okay, so this will be a new experience for you all. So now you know only some 60 students, right? 60 of your friends, or maximum 400 friends. So you are aware of. But if you go to these competitions, this kind of competitions, worldwide students are participating. Worldwide students are participating and competing among yourself, so that it will be a better experience. Okay, so this is the benefit, whatever the benefits you are getting if you attend this competition. So first one, your job is confirmed. Okay, so participation certificate regarding that will not be provided to all. So in pre-qualifier round, if you are correct with one question, one coding, then they will give the participation certificate. Okay, so lakhs and lakhs of people are attending here, right? So for every one of you, without coding even one question, they will not give participation certificate. Even if you attend any one easy level question, then you will get the participation certificate. If you code, if you can able to code even for one question, then you will get the participation certificate. So last date to register is coming 7th Monday. So you need to register immediately. Okay, so you need to register immediately for this competition and try to get the best experience. Okay, so up to this, about the competition and what is the benefit is got over. So in the upcoming slides, we are going to see how to register for this competition. Okay, so any doubt regarding this? If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask now. I'll clarify and then we will go for the registration process.
Ma'am, it is only for Indians or other
No,
nationals
no,
can
other
also.
countries, global wise, anybody can attend. For Indians, the third round is also online. They have mentioned only for Indians, third round is online. Anybody can attend. Yes.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. And is it necessary for only Indian studying students? Like, can anyone other studying in any other country join? Like,
Yes, yes, anybody can join. Only
okay, ma'am.
criteria is student or passed out. 2 year
Okay,
passed out students are also invited.
okay.
Anybody can join. Yes. Any other doubts if you have, you can ask now. Okay, fine. So registration, it is just we are entering into Google and we are typing the competition name TCS-Codevita 2022. Okay. So after that you will get a link like this. TCS-Codevita link is directly given. Okay.
Ma'am, if you could allow, then I can tell you something regarding this TCS. Hello?
Sir.
Ma'am, this is Sayed, sir. If you could allow me, then I can share one more information regarding TCS. Yesterday only I came to know about that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can share.
Yeah, the students. The thing is that, as Madam said, that we have three rounds. So the TCS package, it will be like it will differ for each and every qualifier. Like for first round, it will if TCS is announcing such kind of vacancies, then he will offer. Then it will offer around 3 to 5 lakhs. Then for second round qualifier, you will get around 5 to 6 lakhs, and for final qualifier, you may even get above 8 lakhs, 8 to 10 lakhs. And the process is sorry, and the point is, after each and every qualifying round, you will get a proper acknowledgement of the process of what we can say. You can get a proper acknowledgement through the certificate that you have qualified first, second, or third round. Okay. So this is the information just I need to share now. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, then you can ask regarding this. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Okay, fine. So this is the website. So where you can enter inside, and you can check for the registration, and you can get the details, more details about this competition and all. Okay, so this is the initial page. So if you move on inside this link, then this will be your registration page. In the top right, it is given register or login. If you have registered already, then you can log in, or in this middle of the page also it is given register now. There also you can enter inside and register. Okay, so after clicking that register now, you will get the page like this. Here you have to give your username, password. Username can be your name, or you can give your email ID. Okay, most probably use your email ID for everything. Okay, so whatever they want to communicate with you through email only, you all will receive all the details. Okay, so as sir said no just now. So whether you qualified for the next round or you are not qualifying for the next round, whether you are applicable for the next round. So what is next? That will be explained through your email only. So give your active mail ID. Okay, give your active mail ID. Check twice before enter your email ID whether it is in active state or not. Okay, don't give your neighbor or your friend's ID. Give your own mail ID, or separately create one mail ID for attending competitions like this. Okay, so in your regular mail you will get more notifications, you will get more in many things you have registered already, right? So you per day you will get some 50 to 100 emails. So better avoid that mail ID. You create one separate mail ID for attending this kind of competitions, because this is not an easy one, right? This is for winning this competition you need to work a lot, right? To get a good name you need to work a lot. So better create one separate email ID. Through that email ID you can apply for competitions like this, for all the competitions, for all the upcoming competitions. Okay, so your email ID and password you should give. So if you click the sign in button, so it will take you to this page. So it will ask you whether you are an Indian or some other country person, like that. So after clicking this India, then you will be taken to this page. Okay, but if you want, you can take screenshots or you can call me anytime regarding this registration process. Okay, so in this page, it will ask you only your personal details. So your first name, your last name, your email ID, okay, username, just your name, give your name, password, give valid password. So now one more thing you have to consider here. See here, now I have entered my details here, my name, my last name, my email ID, okay, my username, I can give anything. See, all these are in green color, indicating in green color. See the password column, it is in red color box. See the box, it is red color, which means this is an invalid password. So after entering the details in each column, it will turn into green, which means it is accepting you. Okay, so if it turn into red, which means you are giving invalid one. So in that case, you have to check here. So password policy is given here, right? So if you just move the mouse over there, it will show the criteria for setting your password. Okay, so using this criteria, you have to set your password. So after giving correct password, automatically it will turn into green again. So if all the columns are in green, then you can give the register button. See here now. Now I have checked my password and I have given the correct password. Now it is in green color. So like this you can check here itself. Okay. So after giving all the filling up all the details, you have to press this register. Register button is given there. You have to click that. All are easy process only. Okay, nothing is difficult. Nowhere it is asked about your license number, PAN number, and unknown informations. All are known informations only. So maximum it will take some 15 minutes to 20 minutes to complete the registration process. Okay, so whether you want to know about that particular language or not, you know that particular language or not, okay, you are ready or not, register now. Okay, later we can see that. Okay, we will be having separate sessions for practice also. So we'll take some papers from the previous years, previously asked questions. We will work out on that also. Okay, so don't get panic, don't get disappointed. You just register today itself. Okay, later on we will discuss, we will select whether we can decide whether we can attend this or not. Okay, registration is important because Monday is the last date for attending this competition for registration. Okay, now after registration, after clicking this register, so you will be taken to this page, terms and conditions. So for each country the terms and conditions may vary. Okay, depends upon the country. Now here I have clicked India. So here for Indians they have given some certain sets of terms and conditions. Okay, if you want you can read out those terms and conditions, then you have to give the accept one. If you press this accept, you will be taken to this page. So all these are continuous process. Okay, don't give break in between the registration process. Okay, free yourself today itself, sit somewhere separately. Okay, sit somewhere separately, complete the registration process in 10 to 15 minutes, or maximum it will take 20 minutes to complete the registration. Complete it and then go for the next job. Okay, so this is for email verification. So one email will be sent to your mail ID, whatever mail ID you are giving during registration process. So that mail ID will be verified by the TCS coordinator. So that is what given here. Now you need to check your email. See here, see the topmost mail, Codevita admin. I have received one email from Codevita admin. So like this, you will get one email from the Codevita admin. So inside that email, I have received these informations. Dear participants, thank you for registering. This is for just for your email verification. So some may give the inactive email ID, right? So that is what I said in the previous slide. So you have to check twice before giving that email ID. Immediately they are verifying. Immediately you are getting the verification mail. So link to email address verification, that blue color link is there, no? So you have to click that. After clicking that, you will be taken to this page. So this is the actual page for entering the details in your profile, contact number. So nobody will contact you through mobile, but you may get some notifications, you may get some messages through your mobile number. Okay, so give valid mobile number, give your own mobile number. Don't give your parent number or sister number, brother number, whatever mobile number you are carrying. Okay, give that number. That is a mandatory field. Academic year of graduation, whatever you are, when you are graduating, 2025 passed out, 2024 passed out. So you have to enter that. Nearest TCS location that you can select from the given option. So for me it is Chennai, so I have selected it as a Chennai. Institute name, this is our college name. You have to give our college name here. Okay, college name you have to enter there. Ctdt Reference Id, this is given by the TCS Next Step. This is one more website maintained by the Tata Consultancy Services for the job offer. Okay, for the placement activities, they are maintaining this. Okay, so you need to register there. See the important point given there. Create Ctdt Reference Id from TCS Next Step. If left empty, this is not mandatory. This is not a mandatory field, but if you left empty, you will not get interview call even if you clear the round. Understand? So if you are clearing your pre-qualifier round, which means you are clearing 3 questions. You have given 3 answers correct. You will get the interview call through your email ID. So if you fail to register in this TCS Next Step, nobody will send mail through the email. Nobody will contact you. So just for your experience, you can attend. Okay, but we all need a good job, right? We all need to be in a good position. After some 4 years or 5 years, we need to be in a good position. So you have to go through this TCS Next Step website also and get this ID, reference ID, and paste here. Okay, see, that is the next one. You just click on this TCS Next Step, you will be taken to this page. Create Ctdt Reference Id from TCS Next Step. It is there, no? So if I click there, I will be taken to this page. Here I have to register again to extract that ID. Register in the sense it will ask you again and again your name, your email ID, your institution name. Institution name is our college name. Which year of passing. Same details again and again. Okay. So register now, you have to click it. IT or business process service. It will ask you the options. We all comes under IT. So if you select that, so it will take you and you will be provided with the number, that DT2022, some series of numbers are given there. No, you have to copy paste that number, copy paste, and you have to process, take your process to the next step. Again, you need to enter your email password you have entered in the first page, no, that you have to give and submit. That's all. If you wait some time, if you wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you will get one more email from TCS recruitment. Registration successful. You have registered successfully. But process doesn't over here. So you have to fill the application form also to participate in the competition. So application form link will be sent through your email ID. That is what I'm showing in this mail. Okay, so all these are registration process. Till now, whatever we have done, that is the registration process. You need to fill the separate application form for attending this competition. Okay, maximum 20 minutes it will take from the beginning till the end. Okay, sit continuously and complete the process. Don't give break, because sometimes this link will expire. This email validity will expire in 10 minutes or 15 minutes or half an hour. Okay, so which means you have to start from the beginning. You cannot able to register using the same mail ID, or some problem may occur using the same username, or some difficulty may occur. To avoid that, you sit continuously and complete the registration process, okay, once. So if you click this https next step tcs.com, it will take you to the application form. In the application form, you need to upload your CV, curriculum vitae, biodata. Okay, you need to upload your photo. Okay, that's it. Your application form filling process got over. Then every day you have to check your mail. So we will intimate you after receiving the notification. Then if you check your mail, you will get the link for appearing in that competition. So it is a time to register. Okay, only thing is they will give the concept, you are going to give the coding. That's it. They will give the concept. For that concept, you need to write the coding and you need to compile something I have mentioned, no, languages C, C++, C# and all. So in detail, after registration, we will have one more session or 2 more sessions, okay, to explain about in depth. Now the thing is, you need to register and you need to complete your application process before this Monday. That's it. Okay, after registration, we will go for the next process. Okay, to attend the pre-qualifier round, we need to train ourselves. Without training, we cannot achieve anything. Okay, for all the process, we need to train ourselves. So how to prepare for pre-qualifier round? So compilers we need to install. That is little bit a technical process. Okay, so we will help you in that. In all those things, we will help you. You can get the guidance from our department. Okay, so whether you belongs to mechanical or petroleum or civil, whatever department you belongs to, we are here to help you and we are ready to help you at any time, at any cost. Okay, so even we can use our lab also. In our lab also, we are having systems, right? So we can use that also. So after completing this registration process only, we can enter into the next level. Okay, so try to complete the registration process today itself. Okay, any help, you can contact us. So any doubt or if you want to ask anything, you can ask now. So that's it about this TCS-Codevita presentation. Okay, so hurry up and register today itself, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow by 12 p.m. your registration link will expire, which means afternoon. So after your breakfast, you cannot able to register. So today itself, complete your registration process, complete your application filling process. Don't wait till Monday 12 p.m. which means Monday afternoon, Monday noon. Don't wait till that. Complete today itself. We want every one of you to register in this. Every individual should register in this. Okay, whether we are winning or losing, that doesn't matter. We want your participation. We want you to get experience in all those things. Okay, So you take this as the initial step. Take this as the initial step. Okay. So any doubts? No separate course is needed. Okay. So no separate course is needed to participate in this. You no need to undergo any course for C or C++ or Python. So whatever you all have studied Python language in your first semester, right? So basic knowledge you all have. So with that basic knowledge, we can refer Google also. That is what I mentioned in my first 2-3 slides itself. So we will get that reference sites also. So how you are writing your examination nowadays? So similar way you can follow for your competition also. That is what they have mentioned it very clearly. So no, you should not copy any content directly from one website to another website. You are not allowed to copy the content from one website to another website, but you can use those contents as a reference. You can refer, you can take those codings from any website. And you have to apply your own idea also. Some little bit modifications will be there, should be there. Okay. Okay, fine. So take this competition as an initiative. Okay, and walk towards your own creation. So we all want to create something new, right? So every day we are facing challenges. Even if we want to travel from one place to another place also, we are facing many challenges. In our two-wheeler, we are facing challenges. In our four-wheeler, even if you take Chennai, the traffic is the biggest challenge, right? Similarly, they will give you some real-time problems, real-time challenges. Okay, so after taking some practice is needed for you all. Okay, without practice, you can't able to crack anything here. Some practice is needed. Okay, so we are ready to give that also for you all. So after getting some idea, you all will be capable of creating your own things, own creatures. Okay. So all the very best. Register today itself. Okay. So now we are taking this competition as an initiative and we are working towards our own creation. Okay. Okay, fine. So thank you all for your patient participation in this. Okay, register and update about your registration to your CCs. Okay, your CCs are there, no? So update about your registration to your CCs. So we need a consolidated list. After that, we will plan for a separate session for your ideas giving session for your competitions. Okay. So thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.